seeing edits for avatar. Why have you all edited? Hi everyone, Dan Mitzi Harris here, just recording the process of adding or taking some design tokens from the MR stage through to Figma implementation so everyone can see what the current process is like. We've also got Sasha hiding on the call as well. He might make an appearance. But otherwise, like and subscribe. Let's go. So this is the some new dark mode colors for Avatar. It's a mix of updating existing values and adding some new design tokens. So we'll see the differences between the two. So I thought this was quite a nice example. So first step is get the get the design tokens locally. Normally we'd wait for this to be merged before doing, but I want to try and sneak this into the UIKit release that's going today, and I feel pretty confident with the changes. So let's get these down locally. Nice. So I'm in the Figma now in the design tokens library file. I'm just gonna create a new branch. Update avatar tokens for dark mode. Oh, never mind. And we can see what's going on here. So I think for this, we are just adding some new values. I know that these are going to be uh, internal or scoped only to Avatar. So I'm going to put them in this logged folder. But let's run our plugin, which does a very good job of getting us started. So I want to do it into this collection, and let's choose our files. GitLab UI, source, tokens, contextual, avatar. So this is just going to import this file. And hopefully that works. Mode names mismatch. Right. Okay. So I have to add the dark mode for the import. Created 14, updated 14. That makes me nervous. And we'll remove the dark mode values later. I would have expected. Oh no. Oh, I know what it's done. It doesn't like the fact that it's currently in here. So it's duplicated some. Okay. Uh, it also looks like the values are back to front, which isn't. Oh no, this is all right. Avatar border, fallback, background color is now using the transparency. Right, so let's delete these. Start again. So I need to move these avatar ones out of here. Now I can run the import. These should have updated. Lovely. That's what I was expecting. Created 6, updated 18, skip 4. I'm assuming that's because there are no changes. Right. Now I can move these back down into our locked folder and the manual work starts. So this is a border. The description came in and it's just a stroke. Nice fallback color. Scope in to frame. That all still applies for all of these. Frame, lovely. Text color. So the description hasn't imported. This is something that's known. It's reasonably flaky. For an internal one like this, I'm not too precious about updating them because it would take a while. But if it was one that we know is going to be consumer facing, I'd have to go in and copy and paste these from the JSON file. manually. And then I have to change the scoping for each of these because they're currently not captured in the tokens themselves. Thankfully, this is relatively straightforward. I can do them all at once. Oh no, I've done badge as well. Scoping frame. As you can see, this is pretty error prone because it's pretty manual. Let's get all of these text colors, set them to text only. Nice. Let's see what's happened there. So just review, make sure I've only seen edits for avatar. Why have you all edited? Right, I'm going to start again because this does not look happy. Okay, create branch. And I really hope you are watching on 2x speed. So open variables. Let's learn from our mistakes from last time. Move avatar out so the plugin can see them. Add our dark mode so the plugin doesn't throw an error. Import token. Source tokens. Contextual. It'd be lovely if it just knew that if it's in the contextual folder, it's in this tucked away thing. Okay, created 6, updated 18, skipped 4. Lovely jubbly. Fill and stroke. So take all of these to text. Put all of these back into here. And let's see what Figma think. Oh, and don't forget to remove the dark mode so that we don't enable it for everybody. Okay, our existing ones edited. That looks right. Our new ones added with these colors. That looks right too. Lovely jubbly. I'm going to go ahead and merge this. And go ahead and publish. Delete avatar. Dark mode. Fine, that's expected. Publish to everybody. If these were public facing as well, I'd run a script to update this table. And this is where the descriptions are important. And it pulls through the name of the design token, the description, the properties it's allowed to be in, and the value it's assigned to. But to keep the noise down for consumers in this file, I don't do that. Last time I ran the script, it broke and it was displaying everything. So I need to take another look at that. But now, hopefully, in our library here, we can go ahead and apply these. So switch over to there, avatar, full bar text color, blue. and our background color should update if we pull this, update through, and all of our colors have changed here. Lush, hope that helps everyone see what the current process is like. It's reasonably painful. I'm sure a lot of this manual stuff can be automated, and things like the scoping captured in the token definition and not have to do that manually in Figma. Thanks.